Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix an iCloud not enough storage on iPhone. For example, if you try to back up your iPhone on iCloud and you see a message that I've not enough storage on iCloud, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to take some necessary actions. For example, you have to check whether your iPhone is connected to internet connection, and after that you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router for one time. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on airplane mode, and you have to turn it on for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to click on settings, and after that you have to simply go back and click on general here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to click on reset network setting, which means you have to reset all of your network setting so that your network can work properly. And the next thing you have to do is you have to again click on general in settings, and you have to go to iPhone storage, and you have to check whether iPhone storage is available or not. And the next thing you have to do is you have to click on Apple ID, and here you have to click on iCloud, and you have to make sure that the iCloud storage is enough to back up your data. And if it is not enough, then what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you can find get more with iCloud Plus, which means you can simply buy the iCloud storage on Apple ID, and after that you can simply back up your iPhone. But you have to make sure that you can turn on this backup button on iPhone, and after that you can simply back up your iCloud without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.